The Mu1 is an updated version of Mu's original charger, the Mu Classic, which was designed to solve a problem on the other side of the pond by reducing the UK's almost comically large but well-intentioned plug into a smaller, portable form factor. Subsequently, Mu expanded to a version with 2 USB ports and modular terminations for European and American outlets, and is now getting a USB-C version. The Mu1 retains the slim design and interchangeable ends of the USB Type-A version, making it apparently perfect for storing a bag on a business trip. Instead of 2 6W Type-A USB plugs, it offers a single 45W USB-C plug. In addition to the high power, which should be enough to charge a phone, switch or even a laptop via USB-C, the Mu1 is also compatible with the standard USB-C power delivery. He also claims to be able to intelligently manage the power supply, depending on the device, so you do not accidentally fry your phone.